Milestone Mafia.
How are you? Don't move.
I got the reimagined Bred 4s and I wore them for a week straight, and you'll never guess what happened. They protected my feet from the ground and I was able to walk in them.
If you're doing it, stop it. Get some help.
Great day, Milestone Mafia. Welcome back to Things and Stuff. I'm your host, Ja.
You're talking to the Rolex wearing, diamond ring wearing, kiss stealing, wheeling dealing, limousine riding, jet flying, son of a gun.
And as always, super humble for every pair of eyes watching, every pair of ears listening. And today we're gonna go over the reimagined Jordan 4 Breds. Now, I know that you've already seen 1,648,287 of these videos. So I'm not gonna go into super great detail. You already know what it is. But what we are gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and put them to the ground and put together some outfits. Because once again, what's the point of buying them if you can't style them? So a little bit of backstory if you didn't know, the Jordan 4 became iconic because it was the sneaker that Jordan was wearing when he made the iconic shot, which was the game winner that he hit over Craig Elo versus the Cavs in the 1989 playoffs. Getty Images made millions of dollars off of him celebrating that. But other than that, you know, the Bred is an OG colorway, and Jordan decided to go ahead and throw them in the Reimagined series. We're gonna take a look and see what they decided to do. First up, we have the box, which is effectively an inverse of your standard Jordan 4 box. As we can see, the cement print on the top instead of the bottom, infrared Jumpman logo. Official tag reads Air Jordan 4 Retro, black fire red cement gray. Fresh out the box, first impressions.
They are who we thought they were.
These have an amazing new sneaker smell to them.
It's quite pungent. Stings the nostrils.
If you got them in hand, you already know what I'm talking about. Main differences here is that they decided to go with an all leather upper, which in my opinion is going to make for longer wear. The original Bred 4 came with this Durabuck or Nubuck finish, which, you know, you had to basically walk on eggshells with. But these, you could beat them into the ground. And based on the leather quality here, I can assume that they're only gonna look better with age. Love this black hang tag too, by the way. The cement gray Nike Air on the back. I will say that the sock liner in this and the tongue is a little thicker, and you can see that it has more room in the toe box than a standard Jordan 4. And I'll tell you exactly why. In my top 10 of 2023, the number 3 sneaker was these SB4s. And I remember saying, shout out to Nike SB for taking the Jordan 4 and making it actually comfortable. Please, Jordan, steal the notes from whatever meeting happens, you know, when y'all put this together, and make all of the Jordan 4s just like this. Why make them any other way? Apparently Jordan Brand listens to me and only me, so you're welcome.
Yep, and it's all because of this guy.
Really?
No, not really.
Now, as far as styling these goes, obviously it's an all black sneaker and you can basically wear this with anything, right? When I'm looking at a sneaker and how to style it, what I want to do is I want to pull most of those secondary colors. Obviously we're going to pull this red and a lot of this gray here. These are 100% border-proof, no doubt. Definitely a clean shoe. Definitely a fire silhouette. And also with them changing up the shape so that you don't get an aggressive canine feeling from your toes, makes them all the more better. Got a handful of different looks for these. We're gonna dress them down, we're gonna dress them comfortable, we're gonna dress them casual, and you know, really, you could probably dress this up a little bit, maybe for, you know, a date or something like that. We're gonna give it a try. But before we get into that, you already know, man, I want you to become a friend of mine by liking this video. Go ahead and drop a comment. Tell me what you think about the overall Jordan Bred 4. Especially tell me what you think about the 4 different looks that we're about to put together. And you can become a friend of ours by subscribing and hitting that bell notification so you know every single time the Milestone Mafia is leaning on that algorithm. And as always, before we get into it, I want you to remain blessed, highly favored. I'll stay with 10 fingers and 10 toes, and I'll catch you on the next one.
Leaving on a jet plane. I don't know when I'll be back again.
And before we get into it, this is my second go round on these how to style videos. I'm gonna go ahead and try to up the production value on this time. Please let me know in the comment section what y'all think about it. With that said, let's go get fresh.